Hey there everybody, Indy Dirk here with another Google Sheets tutorial. In this tutorial we're going to be taking a look at the import range function. This is a really cool function that can bring information in from one spreadsheet into another spreadsheet. What we're going to use for this function is the URL up here. So one click on that and I have it. I'm going to Command C to copy it. Now I'm going to switch tabs into my other spreadsheet, the spreadsheet where I want to paste this into. But what I'm going to do is navigate to this other spreadsheet here. I'm going to click on that little Google Sheet icon, and that's going to bring me into my list of spreadsheets. And you can see we're going to paste this into this Indy Sheets state data project. So I'll click on that. And now I'm in an area where I can start writing my formula. So we're going to use equals, and we're going to start typing in IMPO import. And now I have a list of options here. We're going to choose import range. Now if we click on the question mark here, I want to show you what this formula requires. And anytime you have a question about what your formula requires, if you click on that question mark, it tells you exactly what you need. And then it highlights. Google Sheets is really good about highlighting the area that we're currently at. So right now we need to do quotes, and then we're going to Command V and paste in, that's the spreadsheet from the other one, and then it needs my range string. Okay, so I believe that was sheet 2, I think. And then we're going to go exclamation mark and A1 through J, and then we need to close out our parentheses. Now it's going to work, and it's going to give me this. I need to allow access to the other sheet, so that's why it has that ref error. It's basically says I can't reference what you're telling me to reference, so you need to allow access. Click on that, and it looks like it did it. So hold on just a second, let me see that. Oh, this is actually called sheet 7. Okay, so that would be why. So I'll change this to a 7. You got to make sure you reference the tabs in your sheet correctly, and then here we are. The data has populated in here, so good stuff. All right, well, that is your introduction to the import range formula. Very useful formula for bringing in complete data sets from other spreadsheet sources. All right, hope that helps. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.